Double cup, big Campari, holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui. I check the bitch like I'm Mari.
Today I am going to show you how to weld connectors to TIC wires. Cut the right length of the wire isolation. Put on the heat shrink tubing. Put the connector on the wire. Clamp the connector very hard, using a vise or something similar. Then, secure your wire somewhere, in my case it's a vise. Prepare your soldering wire. Turn on your heat torch. Using a heat torch, heat up the connector, then apply soldering wire. Don't overheat the connector, or it will start melting. As you can see, it goes right through the wire. Clamp down over filled solder, and cut or remove sticking wires. Finally, heat shrink your connector. Thank you for watching.